Hi guys, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet Irish crochet lace applique. This video is dedicated to you flats. So let's see. Start the slip knot and chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Insert your hook in first chain, then make a slip stitch. Chain 1, make 20 single crochets in this ring. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over, then make a double crochet in next stitch. Make a double crochet in each stitch. Make a double crochet, make a double crochet, keep going. At the end of the round, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, then make a single crochet. In this space, make a single crochet again, make 2 single crochets in the middle of these 2 double crochets. Make 2 single crochets, make 2 single crochets until the end of the round. At the end of the round, make 3 single crochets and 2, 3, chain 2, then make 3 single crochets in same space again. Make a slip stitch, chain 1, make a reverse single crochet in each stitch. Make a reverse single crochet, insert your hook into the previous stitch and pull loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Make a reverse single crochet in each stitch. Make a reverse single crochet in this space and make a reverse single crochet in each stitch until the end of the round. Make a reverse single crochet, make a reverse single crochet, keep repeating. At the end of the round, remove your hook, insert your hook into the first stitch, then pull through. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. I appreciate for your consideration and for your time. If you like this video, please support me by commenting and subscribing. Have a nice one!